Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my FabFitFun Winter 2020 box unboxing. Oh my gosh, I am so excited that this is finally here. I feel like I was waiting for this for so long and so many people got theirs way before me, and I've been seeing so many great products from it that I just can't wait to use. And products that I'm hoping I'll get in mine, and some products that I remember choosing as part of customization that I am so excited about. So if you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal lifestyle box and it costs $49.99 per box, but you get hundreds of dollars worth of value. So let's get into it. Usually the boxes are a lot more colorful. I actually use the boxes, here's a little tip. I use the boxes for my work from home station to put my computer on so that it's higher up. So that's been my use for the FabFitFun boxes. I actually gave my mom some boxes today to use for her computer setup, so they're perfect for that. So here we have the little magazine with some product information. Here it is. Oh my gosh, there is so much in this box. It's a huge box. But so I always get, like little promotional things. This one's for HelloFresh, HBO Max, some little coupon codes, a FabFitFun sticker. Okay, I see so many exciting things on here. Let me start with this one on top. Oh, this is a blush from the brand Phase Zero, which I'm not familiar with. It says Making Moves Blusher. Oh, I'm always so excited to get makeup in FabFitFun and excited that this is a brand that I'm not familiar with. Ooh, looks nice. Wow. Well, if you are not aware, I have a series on my channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be doing a full dedicated review video on this very soon. That's awesome. Wow, the Phase Zero Makeup Making Moves Blusher has a retail value of $27.50. And then here I have, from the brand Wish, Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. Well, I definitely deal with dry lips, so this sounds like a product that's gonna be so good for me. And this has a retail value of $20. Oh, it's made from organic brown sugar and organic shea butter. All right, now I have a big box, and I see Lilly Pulitzer on the back of this. So this is a product that I was so excited about. I love Lilly Pulitzer. I'm one of those girls. I mean, I have Lilly Pulitzer bedding in my room, so big into Lilly Pulitzer. Ooh, 10% off Lilly Pulitzer purchase. Oh my gosh, yay. It's bigger than I was expecting. This is like a good big mug. Oh my gosh, and it's so cute. So I love mugs and I love Lilly Pulitzer. I have a couple Lilly Pulitzer travel mugs, but I don't have any mugs like this. So I am so excited and it's so cute. So this is a set of 2 of them. I'm so excited that it's not just like a tiny little teacup, that these are like actual, I can drink my coffee out of these mugs. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I'm so excited. And the Lilly Pulitzer ceramic mugs set of 2 has a retail value of $42. That's expensive for just 2 mugs, but got them for such a great deal in my FabFitFun. Next, I have a product from the brand Tula. I use a Tula face wash every night. So this is the Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh, okay, that sounds great. I love eye products. Apply around the eye area for instant cooling and a rose glow. Ooh, so that's some color correcting as well for dark circles. Use under and over makeup as needed throughout the day. I might be able to try this out in a dedicated video as well under my makeup. Ooh, nice. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love the packaging. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Yeah, I'm gonna try that in a video as well, see how it is helping with my under eye circles, under concealer, all of that. And so the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm has a retail value of $30. And then here we have, from the brand DP Hue, ACV apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. All right, this seems really neat. It says it absorbs oil and impurities while adding a touch of lift and texture with the powder of apple cider vinegar. So retail value of $24. I swear by dry shampoo, but I only have ever used like the spray-on kind. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, it actually smells really nice. Smells like a shampoo actually. Ooh, so that is great. So far, they are all products that I will use and I am so excited to use, which is always great. There's a random little kind bar, dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. Is this just like a bonus? This isn't one of my products, right? That's so funny. Ooh, and then I got some hair scrunchies. I'm so glad that hair scrunchies are coming back into style and animal print is coming back into style. I need to get some animal print clothing, I think. They seem nice quality. So these are the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies. Wow, retail value of $25. Usually in FabFitFun, I feel like there are certain products that everyone gets. But this month, it looks like there is so much variation that there's no products in here that I think everyone gets. So that's very interesting. I feel like I got lucky with the products I got so far. Ooh, and then what do we got here? Is this another makeup product? I'm so excited. I never really get makeup in FabFitFun. Ooh, this is from Laura Geller. I love the brand Laura Geller. It's the Cinnamon and Spice 12 Well eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it says crease proof shades. Ooh, retail value of $45. Okay, well this might have to be the first product I do my dedicated review on. It's so beautiful and I love the packaging with this huge mirror. And I love these shades. A good mix of mattes and shimmers. And I feel like they're gonna be so cohesive and create such a beautiful look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Ooh, and then I have a big product here. And I remember choosing this as well, and I've been so excited for it. Oh my gosh, and it's so soft. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, there's even a hood. So this is a robe. Kind of has a weird smell to it, so I've got to wash it first. But so this is the Summer and Rose Cozy Robe. Ooh, retail value of $70. And that is everything I got. I am so excited about what I got. This might be one of my favorite FabFitFun boxes. But looking at all of the other product options in here, there are so many good products. There's really nothing in here that I would have been unhappy to get. So let me do a quick recap of everything I got and then I'll tell you my total retail value. So I got the robe here, which is big and hard to lift up. I got the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder, the Noir Hair Scrunchies, the Wish Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub, the Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher, the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice Eyeshadow Palette, the Tula Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, a kind bar, and my Lilly Pulitzer mugs in here. So that is so much good stuff. I can't wait to start using all of it. And it brings me to a total retail value of $283.50. And when it comes to FabFitFun, where I'm spending $50 basically for each box, I mean, that's how much I was spending a month on the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. And I feel like I get way more value and just way more use out of the products that I get in the FabFitFun box. I seriously love it. So I would really like to know in the comments down below if you get FabFitFun and what your thoughts are on it. And I would like to know what your favorite subscription boxes are. I love subscription boxes and I think I want to sign up for even more, which I know is crazy. I already get so many, but let me know what your recommendations are in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.